All you'll need is some washing up liquid, a Phillips screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. If you notice that your washing machine is leaking water, or if you see mould or mildew build up around the door, it might be time to replace the door seal. Turn off and eliminate all power to your machine. Remove the 2 screws on either side of the machine, then remove the lid. You need to locate the retaining spring band which holds the front seal in place. Once found, use your flathead screwdriver to lift it away. With the band removed, you can take the door seal off the front panel. To remove the seal from the washing machine drum, gently pull down from the inside and peel away from the drum as shown. The retaining spring will also pull away. Before you fit your new seal, use this as a chance to give anything on your washing machine a good clean. Then lubricate the seal with the washing up liquid to help the installation process. The tab on the inside of your washing machine slots into the hole on your door seal. Then push the seal from the inside around the washing machine so it sits on as shown. Make sure it's correctly on the whole way round. Now we need to fit the retaining spring band around. It should be easier to attach the retaining band as shown, so the spring of the band can be pulled and accessed from the top of the washing machine at the 1 or 2 o'clock position when looking at the front of the machine. Make sure it's correctly attached to the left side as shown, and then start to feed it round to the spring side at the 1 or 2 o'clock position as if you're looking at the front of the machine. Take your time here as the spring will be tight to get on. If any part isn't sitting correctly, like at the bottom as shown here on our video, gently push it in and into position. Now, to attach the seal to the front, the gap in the seal attaches to the washing machine lip as shown. Use some more washing up liquid if needed. Now fit the outer retaining spring band as shown. You can then pop the lid back on and re-screw the 2 screws back in place. And that's it, your new washing machine door seal is all set to go.